When I was saving up for my first 100k, I was always opting for the cheapest items. Cheapest clothes na hindi naman nagtatagal, cheapest shoes that broke off easily, cheapest transportation kahit na super hassle. Later on, I realized that budgeting is not about spending less. It is often misunderstood as simply cutting back on expenses. Pwede, it involves spending less on certain areas but not to the expense of our quality of life. Now, I buy clothes that are of good quality, not necessarily branded. Example, if I buy a shirt worth 1,000 but I can use it up to 20 times, cost per use is only 50 pesos. Instead of buying a 250 shirt na I can use for 2 to 3 times lang kasi madaling masira, cost per use is 83. Sometimes, cheap is more expensive. Sa shoes naman, I would prioritize a sturdy and comfy shoes rather than looking at price alone. Ayoko nung mura pero masakit sa paa. Sa transpo naman, I would